copyrighted telecast of the Philippine Basketball Association may not be retransmitted or produced or rebroadcast without the written consent of the PBA.
Picking up his stamp. What about 3 points? You gotta raise the roof there. Oh my God. My goodness.
Mag-umpisa po ang ating second quarter action sa Game 5 the championship series between Barangay Ginebra and San Miguel Beer. This quarter is brought to you by Siemens Mobile Phone. Ating score 17-15, Barangay Ginebra by 2. Mark Kagiwa. Binigay kay J.J. Helterbrand. Sumugod na naman si J.J. Helterbrand. 6 points now from J.J. Helterbrand off the bench. At pumasok ito kinito towards the end of the first quarter.
Exactly, partner. Si Kagiwa, again playing the point guard position. Alam mo, ibang klaseng quarterbacking ginagawa ni Kagiwa. He's not really looking to make the shot, but he's looking for Helterbrand or whoever is open. And again, the outside shooting of San Miguel, partner, not there.
Oo, ay pumasok yung mga tikada nila galing sa labas. Although kanina, naka-score si Olson Racela na 3-point shot. Pero napakadalang eh. Masyadong madalang yung mga pagpasok ng mga long toms ng San Miguel Beer.
Well, kulang din sila sa offensive rebounding. Just one attempt here for San Miguel. Kanya binalik agad ni Coach Joseph Uchico to si Dorian Peña. They need some help with size underneath.
Well, malaki itong squad ni Coach Jong Uchico ngayon. Nandiyan si Dorian Peña, si Nick Velasco, as Jun Lipot scores inside. Nandiyan din si Danny Siegel. At si Rob Duat para sa San Miguel Beer. Pero right now, Barangay Ginebra posting a 6-point lead. Nick Velasco posting up against Mark Kagiwa. Nilabas na naman kay Boy Beach Victoria. Yun ang sugal nila pero ayaw pumasok ang makatira sa labas. Ito na si J.J. Helterbrand. Umuusok na naman. Binigay kay Elmer Lago. Lago at the baseline. Hindi makasaksak. Binigay kay Jun Lipot. Lipot. Ooh! Twisting move by Jun Lipot. At lamang na ng 8 ang Barangay Ginebra Gin Kings dito sa second quarter. Early timeout here called by San Miguel Beer. Ito po mga kaibigan, makikita ninyo itong ginawa ng Barangay Ginebra. Twisting shot there by Jun Limpot. At ito pa isa. Makita nyo naman kung paano gumalaw ito si Jun Limpot. Slow-mo action brought to you by PLDT. Text 135. If you can't say it, text it. For free activation, call 171. Danny Siegel. Merong foul. Alam mo, kinito, nag-umpisa itong San Miguel Beer. Sila ang unang rumatsyada. They went on to an 11-4 lead early in the game. Pero nakabalik itong Barangay Ginebra. 19-4 naman ang sagot nitong Barangay Ginebra.
Ibang klaseng depensa ang pinapakita ng Barangay Ginebra. No? Here in the second quarter so far, only one San Miguel player has taken attempts. No? Si Boy Beach Victoria.
And you look at the stats brought to you by QuickTime, the all-in-one glue technology by Loctite. Evidence of the good defense by Barangay Ginebra. Ito si J.J. Helterbrand. Oy, illegal defense.
Yes. Now, pinalitan muna ni Coach Allen kay Dixie Kagiwa. No? He brought in Meneses. No? But I think that it would have been nice if Kagiwa and Helterbrand are playing together with Kagiwa playing the point guard.
Maganda ang resulta kanina.
Because ito si Helterbrand is such a speedster, no? Playing around the wing area. Ito si Meneses naman, parang siya naman ang magtitimang ngayon. So he's taking the place of Kagiwa at the point guard position. So Helterbrand will still play that role of the off guard.
Ito na si Meneses, nilabas kay Helterbrand for the three!
That's
spectacular long-distance shot brought to you by PLDT NDD. Now as low as 3 pesos per minute anytime and anywhere in the Philippines. Call 171 for free NDD activation. Talagang umuusok ito si J.J. Helterbrand coming off the bench para sa Barangay Ginebra.
9 points for Helterbrand, 4 out of 4 from the field, including a 3-pointer.
Another steal by Barangay Ginebra.
Looking very tentative itong San Miguel.
Oo.
Parang nawala na ang kanilang kumpiyansa. You see Danny Siegel continuing to struggle. Napulot pa ng Barangay Ginebra.
Oo, akala ko, agaw na yun ni Rob Duwat. Berhel Meneses, baseline drive, tapal ball kasil by Dorian Peña. Jun Limpot picks it up. And there's going to be an offensive foul. Could be on Jun Limpot. That's going to be number 3 on Jun Limpot.
Tatlo na yan. That's bad news for Coach Alan Caydic.
Ito, panoorin natin ang nangyari dito. Ito, natapal si Berhel. Yun, inaabot siya ni Dorian Peña. Nakuha ni Jun Limpot. At ayun. And you saw that slow-mo action brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you can't say it, text it. For free activation, call 171. Abuda. Danny Siegel jumps a pass inside to Nick Velasco.
Ang sikip sa loob, partner. It's that interior defense ng Ginebra.
Kanina, yung si Dorian Peña, medyo nakakagalaw-galaw doon sa ilalim, nakakachempo-chempo siya. Pero dito, ngayon, talagang hinigpitan na ng gusto ng Barangay Ginebra. Kinito.
Makita natin ito si Nick Velasco in previous games. Kayang-kaya niya i-jump hook over the defense of Barangay Ginebra sa loob. Pero in that occasion, talagang no man's land na para sa San Miguel dun sa ilalim ng basket.
Well, kinailangan ng pagpahingahin muna kinito si Jun Limpot sapagkat meron na siyang 3 personal fouls at bumalik naman ito si Banjo Calpito. 8 minutes and 44 seconds remaining here in the second quarter. Berhel Meneses looking at Calpito inside. Masyado masigip. Freddy Abuda jumped up with Banjo Calpito. Medyo tinamaan niya yung braso. At nangingiti na naman doon si Freddy Abuda. Sabi niya, parang nakantila ng konti eh.
But that was a very risky pass.
Oo.
Ginawa ni Berhel Meneses.
Medyo delikading talaga yun.
In the eye of the storm ang ginawa niya doon.
Totoo yan.
Pinasok niya yung bola with San Miguel Beer swarming defense on Calpito.
Helderbrand has it against Boy Bids Victoria de la Basque Berhel Meneses. Elmer Lago against Danny Siegel. 3-point shot. Wala. And Crisano with the offensive rebound. Ang dami nakaputirong pero si Alex Crisano nakakuha. Helderbrand is open at the corner. Uh-oh. Over the... Ay, teka muna.
Si Velasco na tawagan.
Si Velasco tinawagan.
Malayo kasi yung talbog ng bola. Velasco trying to get position to get the long rebound. Ay siya naman na natawagan ng foul.
Tignan natin ang slow-mo nito. Ayun, medyo nagingit-ngit si Nick Velasco ron. Samantala, dumadagundong na naman ang pagsigaw ng Ginebra dito sa Araneta Coliseum, mga kaibigan.
Yes, ang tawag ni Alan Caydic dito sa Ginebra fans, kinalang 6-man, no?
Oo.
And they have been such a big factor
Totoo yan.
in this resurgence ng Barangay Ginebra.
Diyan kumukuha ng lakas at inspirasyon ang kupunan ng Barangay Ginebra. Berhel Meneses, tatawagan ng...
And he knew it, partner.
Alam niya kagad niya.
Another
Medyo
turnover
nagalangan
here.
siya.
Matagal-tagal nang hindi nakaka-score itong San Miguel Beer since the start of the second period.
Actually, mula pa ng first quarter kinito eh. Very few and far between yung puntos nitong San Miguel Beer. Racela.
Now again, ginawa ni Joseph Ichico, he has brought back both Dannies. Importante yun para sa kanila. They need both Dannies to play at full throttle.
Second personal foul on Alex Crisano. Yes, querido.
Yung standard offense ng San Miguel Beer, no, to put the ball in the hands of Danny Lafonso at the low post, parang hindi na umuubra ngayon eh. Kasi basang-basa na ng Barangay Ginebra. Eto, let's see what they do. There's that quick double team.
Kalabas kagad kaya sana balik na naman kay Ildefonso. Ito, single coverage. And merong foul. No basket yan, ano?
No basket.
Crisano, tatawagan na kanya pangatlong personal foul. Samantala sa Crisano ay kailangan palitan muna. Papasok ulit si Wilmer Ong.
At sabi ni Coach Alan Caydic, cool ka lang, boy.
Medyo umiinit ito si Alex Crisano.
Well, pangatlo na kasi ni Alex Crisano yan. And partner, that's gonna tell down the stretch, partner. Tatlo ng personal fouls for Crisano. Tatlo na din on Jun Limpot.
That's true. 7.5 minutes remaining here in the second quarter. Danny Ildefonso. Lamang kay Wilmer Ong. And umakyat pero wala. Ay, nakatapikan. Helderbrand recovers it, pero natapik ni Freddy Abuda. And the ball goes outside. Last touch on J.J. Helderbrand. Sometimes you can be too fast for your own good.
Masyado mabilis.
Oo.
Ito po ni Helderbrand.
Ating score 26-15 pa rin. Medyo napako tayo nito. 11 puntos sa kalamangan ng Barangay Ginebra. Olson Racela has it with a pick from Nick Velasco. Racela, medyo na off balance. Nabigay kay Danny Ildefonso. 11 seconds on the shot clock against Wilmer Ong. Ildefonso, umangat. Masyado malakas ang Banjo Calpito. Kinalawit ang rebound.
Grabe yung rebound ni Calpito, partner. Tama din ang ginagawa ng Barangay Ginebra. They've got the big man Ong on Ildefonso, and they need another big man to get those rebounds. Kanya nandun, si Banjo Calpito.
We're playing to a full house here at the Araneta Coliseum, and they're getting their money's worth.
Double figures na si JJ.
Held 11 points now for Hilterbrand.
And again, San Miguel Beer. The quarter is almost half over. Hindi pa sila nakaka-score dito.
Ito na si Danny Ildefonso. Nilabas kay Danny Siegel. Open shot for Siegel.
Hindi pa
Ayaw
pumasok.
pa rin. And the loose ball picked up by Hilterbrand. And Banjo Calpito says, let's cool it. Lamang tayo ng malaki. 13 puntos sa alamang ng Barangay Ginebra Kings over San Miguel Beer.
Ildefonso, 0 out of 5 from the floor.
Alam mo itong Barangay Ginebra talagang parang mainit na mainit. Hilterbrand once again his 13th point. Bench scoring ng Barangay Ginebra ngayon 16. Samantalang yung bench na San Miguel, isa pa lang. Only 1 point from players coming off the bench. We have a timeout. Sa Indigo Bulls, mga tugang duman sa Bicol. Ang inyo po mga lingkod, Ed Pixon, kasama si Kinito Henson. Look at those stats and the field goals for this quarter. Those stats brought to you by QuickTite. The all-in-one glue technology by Loctite. Finally, Nick Velasco scoring inside para sa San Miguel Beer after a very, very long time.
Over 6 minutes, hindi naka-score.
But
Itong
indeed.
San Miguel Beer.
Look at the rebounds by Barangay Ginebra this quarter. Again, those stats brought to you by QuickTite. The all-in-one glue technology by Loctite. Narito si Vergel Meneses lamang kay Freddy Abuda. Meneses at the baseline. Underneath. Reverse layup. No! Oh, Timber, wala pa rin. And Ildefonso finally hauls it down para sa San Miguel Beer.
Kamontik na yun.
Oo. Talagang binigyan ni Meneses ng pagkakataon pumasok yun. Danny Siegel has it against Ronald Bagtulis. Siegel rifles it over to Olson Racela. Wala. Meneses para sa rebound.
Again, another rebound para sa Barangay Ginebra. Partner, talagang maalat na maalat ang outside shooting ng San Miguel Beer.
Ayaw pumasok talaga.
And since kulang na kulang sa inside points itong San Miguel,
Oh,
they're really
Baldabit.
having a hard time putting up points on the board.
Samantala, pinilit daanin sa bilis ni Baldabit kanina yan. Samantala, councilors galore. Si Councilor Bing Bong Crisologo, Bong Liban, re-elected ng 2nd District, at si Councilor Godi Liban. Nandun mo si Councilor Godi? Wait!
Ito, nakawala na naman dito si Baldabit driving down the baseline. Nasaan yung help defense ng San Miguel?
Kikita natin, talaga namang parang hindi nakikita sa San Miguel kung saan pumupunta, kung saan nanggagaling itong mga player ng Barangay Ginebra. Nick Velasco. Wala pa rin galing sa labas. Oy, teka muna. Merong tulak daw si Danny Siegel. Tawagan ng foul. No basket there.
Things not working here for San Miguel. Their defense is collapsing. Their offensive players are struggling. Ito, makita natin kung ano nangyari dito.
Ayun, pag
May tulak doon, yes.
Ayun, may
Bagsak.
tumutub. Si Magtulis yata yun. On the slow-mo action brought to you by PLDT. Text 135. If you can't say it, text it. For free activation, call 171.
Pangatlo na yun ni Danny Siegel.
Oo. 4 na minuto na lang ang nalalabi dito sa ating second quarter. Medyo parang naririndi itong San Miguel Beer. Medyo masyado nang gigigil yata. At merong foul on Dwight Lago here. Second personal on Dwight Lago. Mark Kagiwa comes back into the cheers of the Barangay Ginebra Kings fans as he replaces Ronald Magtulis.
At mapapansin natin ang rotation ni Coach Alan
Caidic.
Caidic. He always has fresh legs to
Totoo yan.
provide the quickness for Barangay Ginebra para hindi sila lumalaylay.
Yun ang ano nila yun ang lakas nila
Oo.
Kagiwa! Wala. Racela para sa rebound. Racela into the front court. Thinking about it. Looking at Daniel Ildefonso, merong illegal defense na tinawag. At si Banjo Calpito yata tatawagan. Technical na yan. sa atong mga higala din ha sa Southern Leyte. Labi na si Konsehal Jerry Lee diha sa Kabalian sa San Juan o si Mayor na diha si Pete Pustani sa Bontok. May gabi ninyo diha og sa amo sa diha sa Hindang sa Leyte og sa Baybay. Kumusta ka mong tanan?
Rosella, 30 years old, a pro since 1993. Once played for Pure Foods.
But doesn't look none the worse for wear. Dito si Olsen Rosella, ganun pa rin kabilis eh. Dahil yung deposit nakita si Nick Velasco. Open shot, wala pa rin. And Calpita with the rebound, binigay kay Bal David. Bench scoring, yan, nabanggit natin kanina yan, 16-3. The stats brought to you by QuickTide. The all-in-one glue technology by Loctite. Rosella kay Velasco. They've been going to Nick Velasco. Well, it's about 1 out of 3 so far.
Well, there may mismatch kasi, no, with Nick Velasco. And plus, alam ng San Miguel na the defense is covering both Danny's. Kanya, it's really up to Velasco to try to get some points for his team. Now, nakita natin dito yung San Miguel Beer, parang nagbago din ang kanilang offensive adjustment. No? Nakita natin at medyo tumatakbo na sila ngayon. Maybe that's also a reason kung bakit nakita ni Coach Joseph Wichicto na masyadong matindi ang half-court defense ng Barangay Ginebra, so they need to speed up things para naman sila makascore, get some easy baskets, and rattle the defense of Ginebra. Diyan nakikita natin si Mr. Bertman Lapit, Senior Vice President of San Miguel, with the President of San Miguel, Mr. Francisco Ismendi.
Tagalatran din yan, Mr. Ismendi.
So the officers of San Miguel, as well as La Tondena, are here in full force.
Nakita ko rin yung aking ex-colleague sa PMT sa Letran, si Charles Owen ng San Miguel. Hindi rin niya malaman kung saan siya uupo, kung kanino siya mag-cheer.
Well, I'm sure Mr. Ricky Gomez, the president of La Tondena, is also here.
Meanwhile, Ronald Bagtunes with that spectacular long-distance shot brought to you by PLDT NDD. Now as low as 3 pesos per minute anytime and anywhere in the Philippines. Call 171 for free NDD activation. Alam mo, kinito, contrasting ito nangyayari sa dalawang koponan. Barangay Ginebra has been shooting it from all angles and all places. Samantalang itong San Miguel Beer, kung saan-saan ay pumasok. Ito, magandang linya. Dwight Lago drills it home. Pero teka muna, ano nangyari?
Bumagsak si Magtulis. They'll count the basket, but there will be a foul on San Miguel.
Ayun. 3 points ba yun?
Mukhang 3 points yun, partner.
That was a PLDT long-distance shot.
Lago is the league's #1 3-point shooter. Ito, nakita natin. Mabagal yung rotation sa depensa. Bagsak naman si Magtulis. Watch it here again.
Nasa penalty. Ayun. Nasa penalty na ito eh. Itong San Miguel is already in the penalty. So 2 shots na siguro yan. Meanwhile, we have another timeout. We'll be back. At wala ka na mapwestuhan dito mga kaibigan. Standing room only. It's SRO here at the Araneta Coliseum for Game 5 of the final series between Barangay Ginebra and San Miguel Beer. Meron pa tayo 2 minutes and 35 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Lamang po ang Barangay Ginebra ng 12. 35 kontra 23.
Ed, parang dream come true ito for San Miguel Chairman and La Tondena Chairman Ambassador Danding Cojuangco, because both these teams are playing in the finals and partner, they're playing so hard and the fans are enjoying it. No? That's the ultimate. That's the ultimate. Both these teams are not giving any quarter partner. They're really giving it all they've got.
Ang importante, matuwa ang mga taga-suporta ng parehong kupunan, ano?
And it restores the integrity of the game. No? Makikita natin, both these teams are really giving it their all to win this championship. And the fans are loving it. They're enjoying it. And that's why we've got a packed house and the ratings on TV shooting up.
Salamat po sa ating mga manonood sa buong Pilipinas. Kayo po ang dahilan yan. 14 puntos ang kalamangan ng Barangay Ginebra. Fede Abuda inside. Foul on Vergel Meneses. That will be his first personal. At pang-5 team foul yan ng Barangay Ginebra. So they will now go into the penalty. 2 minutes and 22 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Didahan akong mga kasangkayan, didahan palo. Labi na kan attorney Lino Duma, si Raweni, Joe, Tito, Nganijun. Nagkikita ko ng hirayara. Dida palo, Leyte. Open nga kabeyo. Tagaya ko mausa. Okay, Daniel Defonso. Uy, umikot. Ay, tapal ball kasi. Tapal ball kasi. Dalawa. Ande, teka muna. May foul yung pangalawa.
May foul.
Oh, yung una kay Magtulis, malinis.
Pero partner, I'm sure Coach Alan Caidic was very happy
Oh,
with
yes.
that play.
Oo.
Basta walang easy layup. Palagay ko yan ang policy dito ng Barangay Ginebra. Kita natin. Sapal yun, galing sa likod.
From Magtulis.
Isa na naman.
Kaya lang medyo tinamaan yata sa ulo somewhere, no?
May tama yun. If not the ulo, yung katawan.
Oo, doon sa balikat ni Nick Velasco. So 2 shots here for Nick Velasco.
Partner, kung titingnan natin ang field goals converted dito sa second quarter natin, no?
Aha.
Barangay Ginebra, 8 ang na-convert nila from the field. Itong San Miguel, dadalawa lang.
Nako. Nag-upisa po itong quarter na ito. Nakalalamang ang Barangay Ginebra. Kaya lumobo po itong kalamangan na ito. Umabot ito kanina lang ng 15. Ngayon po ay tumatayo sa 13. 37-24 in favor of Barangay Ginebra.
Now, ang babantayan natin dito, partner, is the foul situation because Ginebra is going all out sa kanilang depensa.
Aha.
And as a result, their big men are now saddled in foul trouble.
Oh, June Limpot, Alex Crisano, pareho meron 3.
Oo, now how can they survive this? Konting pacing din sa fouls. They need to nurse their fouls. Baka hindi sila umabot down the stretch.
At the moment, they are enjoying a 12-point lead over San Miguel Beer. Elmer Lago, nakawala! Sinalubong! Teka, ano tawag? Offensive foul? Yes, it is an offensive foul on Elmer Lago as he banged into Nick Velasco. Magkakaibigan naman yan, pero may konting sagutan between Elmer Lago and Nick Velasco. At sigurado ko English yun. Words yun. A minute and 52 to go here in the second quarter. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Bayan ng Superstars. Ed Pixon po. Kasama sa kikinig to Hesa. Nadula si Olsen Racela. Banjo Calpito picks it up. Slippery portion there on the hard court at nadula si Olsen Racela.
Alam mo, tama ang ginawa ng Barangay Ginebra. Again, showing some poise here.
Oo.
Imbes na
Minadali.
nila.
Oo.
They took their time being very patient in orchestrating this offense.
Kagiwa rattles the rim. Olsen Racela metanga na bola para sa San Miguel Beer. They're down by 12. A minute and 16 remaining in the second quarter. Ildefonso dilabas kay Lago. Lago, tumira. Uy! Pumasok. Medyo alanganin pa siya ron kasi maraming tumatapik galing sa likod.
That's a hard shot. Partner,
Oo. So, 10 na lang. Umabot po ng 15 ito. Kanina lamang. Now down to a 10-point lead for Barangay Ginebra. Bal David against Olsen Racela. Oh, he runs into Nick Velasco. Tries to pick it up. Ayan, dalawa na ang kalaban niya ron. Wala.
Pinabayaan na lang ng referee. Akala ko, tatawag ng jump ball. Here's an open jump shot.
Ayaw pumasok. Nakatira ni Racela pero Nick Velasco puts it back in on the tip-in. Actually, kasabay niya si Mark Kagiwa na tumalon doon. And Velasco has 8 points, all of them here in the second quarter.
Ito, unti-unti, bumabalik na ito San Miguel. Nagkakaroon ng lapses dito ang Barangay Ginebra.
Magtulis to Elmer Lago, open shot.
Oh, that's
Masyado
too
malakas.
hard.
Kagiwa! And it's back to a 10-point lead para sa Barangay Ginebra with 12 seconds remaining in this first half. Ito, last shot time para sa San Miguel Beer. Olsen Racela. Racela's guns have been silent from the outside. And Freddy Abuda beats the buzzer. Basket will count. And Freddy Abuda living up to his reputation, picking up the garbage and turning it to gold to cut the lead of Barangay Ginebra at the end of the first half to 8 points at 39-31. Samantala,